happy holidays. I know we're in the midst of the holiday time with November and December. It's super busy. But today I just wanted to bring to you guys a super easy look to achieve. I did a kind of a fox eye, cat eye look with a very lower length blank. My lash line's blank, basically, which really helps open up my eyes and define that cat eye, makes everything go, out and back. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look today, just continue watching.
Hey guys, so as always I start off with my e.l.f. Power Grip primer just to prime my skin. I love the tacky base that this gives to my skin. And then for foundation, finally, I'm not using something like NARS. Today I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution foundation. I really love this one. I haven't used this one in forever, but I picked it up during the Sephora holiday sale that they had a few weeks ago. So I'm just taking this on my IT Cosmetics dual-ended brush and buffing this into my skin. I take about a pump per side. And then to contour / bronze my skin, I'm taking my e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Wand. This is in the shade Light Medium. I'm just going over all of the bronzer contour spots on my skin. I'm going to take this, put that on there, and then buff it out with the same foundation brush. And for concealer, my Lancome Teint Idol concealer. I'm going to go ahead and place that on all of these spots where I need to conceal and highlight my skin. And to set my skin, I'm taking the Anastasia Loose Translucent Powder. I'm going to take that and buff it on with my Beauty Puff there. I like to pick it up and then really massage it into the Beauty Puff to then press it on my skin. That way I'm not going in with too much powder and going to get that dry and cakey look. And for my bronzer, I am taking this Hourglass bronzer that I always use in all of my videos. I just love the glow that it gives to my skin. And for my highlighter, same old, my Laura Mercier highlighter in 01. This is just the perfect undertone and shade for my skin tone. And to contour my nose, I'm taking my Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer. I'm just taking that on a little flat eyeshadow brush. Kind of went a little ham on it and heavy, but I go in and blend it out afterwards. And then for my blush, I'm taking MAC Peaches. This is just my favorite blush to use all year round. It's a nice, just peachy, really vibrant color. It gives you good life to your skin. And then to set my skin, I am using the Morphe Continuous Set and Prep Mist. To prime these eyeballs, I am taking MAC's Painterly Paint Pot, my same mold that I always use. I push it down with a brush first, press it in with my finger, and then always set it with some sort of translucent powder. I just took what was ever left on that powder poof and pressed it onto my lids. I am sorry, I know I've used this palette in so many videos, but I absolutely love this. It's the Makeup by Mario palette. I'm just taking those upper two kind of lighter brown colors, and I'm going to buff that in my crease just super lightly, just to give some sort of definition to my crease, because this is more of a lash line look. Being that it's a fox eye, I wanted to go ahead and just keep all the definition towards my lash line. So I'm mixing those two brown shades to start building up that, of course, lash line look. I'm just basically placing that down and flicking it out, going darker and deeper with each color. So as I go darker, I'm taking more stiffer brushes. I'm taking this stiff flat shader brush with this dark reddish brown and really pressing that into the lash line and flicking it out. This one's not going as far out as I took the other colors. Taking this Sigma liner brush, I'm going to take the darkest color in this palette, that dark brown, not the black, because I want this to be a brown look, not a black look, and going in and creating that winged liner just right there on the outer corner. I'm not going to bring it in. I'm going to extend it out and just bring it halfway in. As you can see, I'm really not pulling a lot of the shadows in onto my inner half of the lid. I'm going through and I blend each one afterwards and add more pigment, just so I don't go in with too much at once and I can't take it back at that point. And now taking this cream shadow from Thrive Cosmetics, I don't know what the shade is off the top of my head, but I'll have it linked down below. I'm just going to take that on the inner third of my lash line, my lid, just so I can have that little bit of sparkle. I place it down and blend it out with a brush afterwards. And then taking that same highlighter that I used on my face earlier in the video, I'm going to set that cream shadow with that highlighter just to make sure everything is nice and bright and pop. You want some sparkle during the holiday time. You also want to go back in with that pencil brush that you've been using to blend the shadows with and make sure that line between the sparkle and your liner is blended. Now taking this flat definer brush, I'm going to take that dark brown and that dark red brown and really define my lash line out that way and smoke it out and bring it up. I wanted more of that liner look that I wasn't getting. And then now taking that white color, I'm going to clean up underneath that wing just to kind of sharpen things up. And I'm also going to put it on my lower lash line since I really wanted that blanked out lower lash with this look. Taking that Sigma liner brush, I'm going to take those two dark brown colors and begin to create that inner point like the fox eye has. I'm just basically dragging it from my top lash line down and then connecting it on to the bottom. I'm not so good at this, so don't get at me, but I really love how it turned out. NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen. This is the shade Brunette, and I'm going through and really defining that inner point and defining my outer wing too. I'm keeping it very close to my lash line so that way the shadow still has the emphasis, but it's just adding a little bit more drama to my eyes. Taking that same highlighter, I'm just going to highlight my inner corner over that point just to make it look a bit more natural. I'm also going to take that on my brow bone to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 liner in the shade Whiskey, and I'm going to tightline my eyes with this liner. And then going through, curling my lashes, applying my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara to prep my lashes for my falsies. I believe I went in with the style Pompadour from Kiss. These are my favorite lashes. I love just how they're more defined on the outer corner and less on the inner corner. They really give that nice cat eye or fox eye look in this case. And for that classic holiday look, I'm taking MAC's Cherry Lip Liner. It's a red lip liner, and I'm going to line and overline my lips. I kind of get out of frame in this and completely cover my lips while I'm lining them. But if you've watched any of my videos, it's done the same way that I line my lips in all of those videos as well. So take that, fill it in, and then I'm taking MAC's Ruby Woo. It's their Retro Matte lipstick. It's a little small one that I got from Ulta, but it's a nice blue tone red and makes your teeth look extra white.
Alright guys, we've made it to the end. Thank you guys for watching my entire video today. I hope you guys enjoyed this super simple holiday glam look. You can wear this to any sort of occasion. You know, I wear this all year round. It's just a simple fox eye. Really easy go-to look. So if you haven't yet, subscribe. That way you're up to date with all of my holiday content coming up, as well as follow me on my social media. It's all linked in the bio, as well as all of the products that I used today in this video. And my like to know, it's also down there, where I'm linking a bunch of holiday gift guides and holiday sets you can get basically at different department stores. So thank you guys again, and happy holidays. Bye.